Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the essentials so your session runs smoothly. Sign into Zoom, update the app, and create a dedicated meeting for this class. Once done, adjust meeting settings, enable the waiting room, set a passcode, and allow co-hosting. Make sure your profile shows a clear name and photo so students recognize you. Also upload slides or materials to the meeting details and add a clear title. These first steps prevent confusion and secure the room before you invite students. Now focus on running the class. Share your screen and choose the right window. Enable computer sound for videos. Use polls for quick checks and breakout rooms for group work. Assign participants manually or automatically depending on learning goals. Once you start, allow annotations for collaborative activities and moderate chat to highlight questions. Assign a co-host to manage participants while you teach. Spotlight the presenter for recordings. These options let you balance lecture, interaction, and real-time. Finish by saving and distributing materials. Stop the recording, then end the meeting and export attendance and chat if needed. Upload the cloud recording link or local file to your LMS and email students follow-up resources and next steps. Make sure to clean up breakout rooms and remove any leftover shared files. If something goes wrong, audio is the most common issue. Check Zoom's microphone selection, verify OS permissions, reboot the app, or have students join audio via phone. That single tip resolves most disruptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.